always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited, you guys, for this video to come out. I am excited to share my tips with you guys. I am excited for you guys to see the process and also to bring awareness. So please, if you like today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps out my channel, and hopefully we can get this video out there to help even more people. But for now, let's go ahead and get started.
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the.
If you're going to attempt to do it yourself, please don't forget to unplug the washer. You don't want to work with it while it's being plugged. Today we're going to be replacing the outer ring of my washer, and I've had this washer for about 4 years and I had no idea how to even clean the outer ring, how to protect it from getting this way. So I want to share all those tips with you guys today further in the video. So make sure you stay for that because I don't want this to happen to you. But if you guys also have a Samsung front loader, this is the way how you change it, just in case you want to go ahead and change it yourself if yours is just as bad as mine. I seriously thought I had to go get a new washer because I didn't know that I could replace these. Otherwise, I would have done it sooner. You will need to remove the whole front face of the washer. That way you can access the outer ring. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys step by step on how to do that. To remove the top, you're going to have to unscrew it from the back first. You do have to remove this, even though it may seem unnecessary. Just follow the steps. You do have to remove it. That way in the end, it's a lot easier. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support and clicking on today's video. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica, and here on my channel, you're going to find tons of cleaning motivation and laundry motivation. And if any of these videos sound interesting to you, please consider subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. If you're a returning subscriber, you know that on Sundays, I usually do laundry videos. I bring you the best laundry motivations. I try to motivate you to get all your laundry done. But on today's video is a little bit different. I am changing the outer ring on my washer, so obviously I couldn't do any laundry right now. But also I felt like this video was very important to share with everybody because a lot of people, maybe my age or older or younger, don't know about this issue, and they may even think that it's normal when it's really not. So I never knew how to prevent mold or that this could get mold. I barely started learning about it, and I tried and tried to get it off. I would use bleach, you name it. I've been on YouTube, I've searched it, and everything I was doing, nothing was really removing it. I think once it has mold, it's gonna be almost impossible to remove it, in my opinion. But that is why we decided to go ahead and just replace it, because even though we kept cleaning it, it was never really fully gone. So I decided to make this video to just bring awareness to every mom or every person out there, just in case you start washing your clothes and you're starting to notice like the clothes don't really feel clean. They have a special scent. And let me just say, if the washer is not clean, how is it supposed to clean your clothes? It's impossible. In order for the washer to clean your clothes, it has to be clean. And no matter how many times I would disinfect it, I would clean it out, I always had like a scent on my clothes, and my kids their eczema is flaring up. So I don't know if this has something to do with it, but I'm assuming it does. That is why it's very important, you guys, to clean it constantly. And like I said, if you just can't clean it, either try to replace it, try to get someone to come and replace it for you if you just can't do it yourself, or maybe even invest in a new one if that's what you have to do.
Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known.
Okay, the moment we have all been waiting for. Look at this ring. Look how disgusting it is, you guys. This is seriously scary. Of course, I never saw that. Like when you open it up all the way, I never ever saw that. That is disgusting. That is so scary. I hope, seriously, I really hope that you guys seen this. It's bringing awareness, and you're going to be looking out for this. You're going to be looking out for these little signs, so that way you can replace yours or have someone replace it or even get a new one, you guys. This is so scary to me.
You know enough. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you. You made it easy for me. Yeah. Nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I I feel for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just
So now I'm gonna go ahead and share some tips that I wish I would have known before my washer got this bad, because it could have maybe even prevented it. But I had no idea, you guys. I had no idea how to clean my washer. I had no idea all the steps that you had to do. I mean, I seriously thought you just throw your clothes in there and, you know, just close it and forget about it. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and share some tips.
take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind.
So the first thing I wish I would have known is you're supposed to leave the door open from the washer. Once you're done washing your clothes, you're meant to leave it open so it airs out and then the water can dry up and it doesn't create mold. When you close it, when you take out your clothes and close it right away, you can see that everything inside is still humid. Everything is foggy, wet, and you're closing the door. So that's going to create the mold. So you're going to want to leave it open so everything can dry out. I wish I would have known that. No one ever said that to me. So I would always leave it closed because I actually thought I would damage it if I left it open because of the door light and all that.
Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind.
My next tip is have a little rag or paper towels or whatever you want to use, and after every use, go ahead and clean that water. Use it to clean the water and remove all the excess water. Also, try to clean your washer after every use. Either you use a disinfectant or you do a load and wash it that way, but try to clean your washer after every use.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good.
My next tip is check your machine. I never checked it. I would just throw my clothes in the washer and hope for the best. Guys, check your machine. Look for mold. And if you find mold, try to get it treated as soon as possible. Or like I said, just replace it. This piece wasn't even that expensive. I believe it was like $100, you guys. And that's a lot cheaper than buying a brand new washer.
But you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping into
To put it back, you're gonna wanna make sure you put all the pipes and everything in the correct spot, because otherwise you're gonna end up with a hot mess.
deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices.
You guys, I am so excited to do laundry with my brand new washer because it feels like a brand new washer. And I can't wait to do laundry for you guys. So make sure you come back next Sunday so we can tackle our laundry together.
Voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh, baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
I did go ahead and clean underneath the washer because as you guys saw, it was so gross underneath here. I don't even know why there was dog food underneath here, but it was a hot mess underneath and I did go ahead and clean it.
I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking it close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking it close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh, baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends.
I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
Okay guys, last step is to screw the back and plug it in.
Everyone always keep falling in love again.
And this is my new ring. How do you guys like it? Doesn't it look beautiful? I am in love, you guys. It looks so pretty. It looks so clean. I love it. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about today's video. I know it's very different, so I am excited to read you guys' comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Bye, guys.
With nobody to hold on to. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't live. Why am I the only one who's lifting the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would.